Hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to introduce you to this book, Machine Learning for Kids by Dale Lane. Dale Lane is an engineer working at IBM who works in machine learning, obviously has an interest in sharing what machine learning is with young people, well, and teachers as well. He's had a website for a while. I've been quite interested in it, but this book is brand new. The book has a number of tutorials in it, which I'm going to run through some of them with my year 7 and 8 students over the next few weeks as we gracefully work our way towards the summer term. It's the summer holidays. It's nearly the summer holidays, isn't it? Only a few more weeks. We can make it, everybody. Anyway, we're going to have some fun with this. So how can we teach a computer? So one of the things that one of the projects here is supervised learning, where we can teach a computer to recognize whether something written or said, but written. So on the keyboard, is it something that is positive, or is it something that's unpleasant, or could make a computer unhappy if a computer has feelings? But we're going to use what's called supervised learning to help the computer categorize a something that would make it happy from something that would make it unhappy. So you can go to this website. It's free. We're also going to use some Scratch, which is always awesome. Using some Scratch, we try and do as much Scratch as possible. Scratch, Microbit, Python, favorites in my lessons anyway. But all right, let's go. So you go to this website, machinelearningforkids.co.uk, click Get Started, and we're going to try it without registering and add a new project. Project name. Okay, let's go for make me happy rather than unhappy. And what we're going to recognize is text. You can see here that there is images, numbers, sounds. If we had a webcam in the classroom, those of you in my lessons will know the capability of the computers. We've got a little bit of work to do. There are no webcams. We did have some for lockdown, didn't we? The key workers working there, but not in my lesson. So it will be text. I'd love to do images where we could use the webcam to recognize things. You know, am I holding up a pot plant, or am I holding up a mobile phone? And have the computer guess. So we click text and then create. And here we go. Make me happy. We click on it. What we're going to do is train it first of all. Just like students, we don't just throw them out there into the world. We train them. So here we go. Add new label. So add new label to recognize. We're going to say, okay, unhappy first. And happy. Oops. Okay, let's get rid of that. Happy, add. Here we go. And in here, we just type in at least 5 examples. So what things would make me unhappy? Let's be you are nasty. There you go. You are nasty. You are unpleasant. God, I've had two bad things. Let's put some things that make me happy. You are awesome. You are awesome. You are awesome. Okay. You suck. Yeah, you suck. You are amazing. You are amazing. You make me happy. There you go. It's a nice friendly thing to say. You make me happy. You're such a nice friend. Right. You are nasty. You are unpleasant. You suck. What else can we have, students? Would be unpleasant things to say. You are horrible. Oh, it's not a nice thing, is it? Or you are mean. I don't know what this says about me finding all these nasty things to say rather than positive things, but anyway, I'll keep that to myself. Enter an example of happy. You are wonderful. You are fun. Here we go. You are fun. Add. So now we have 5 examples of unhappy things. If they're said to the computer, make it unhappy. Things and other things that would make it happy. So now we go back to the project and make something. Oh, before we go there, let's learn. So now we've trained it, we're going to learn. We're going to use the examples to train the computer to recognize text. So here we go. Train it. I have to do. Okay, what have you done? You've collected examples of text for a computer to recognize when text is unhappy or happy. Ready to start the computer's training? Yes, I am ready. Here we go. Click train. And we are just going to wait for it to train. It takes time to train. It has to think about it. Has to process all of that information. There we go. It's been trained. Try putting in some text. So if I say nasty, you are nasty. Here we go. You are nasty. Test. Recognized as unhappy with 100% confidence. You suck. Unhappy. If I say you are awesome. Test. Yeah, so computer's feeling kind of happy. You are. Let's try one that we haven't put into the training data. Recognized as happy with 81% confidence. So it's having a good guess there, isn't it? 81% confident that is a nice thing to say. Now, how can we make this more accurate? Why am I asking you? No one can answer. What am I doing, Mr. Lovell? Now, how can you make it more accurate? You can make it more accurate by giving it more data. So instead of 5 examples, we could give it 50 examples. If you can think of 50 nice things to say to a computer, we'd give it as many as possible, and this will make it more confident. But let's just try one more. So you are wicked. You are wicked. Now, when I was at school, wicked was really good. Hey guys, I'm wicked. I'm wicked at that. That meant I was good at that. Maybe it's all different now. It was a long time ago that I was at school. I have no idea. But let's see what the computer says. Happy. Yeah, it's kind of from the last century, like me. It's saying, yeah, you are wicked. That means, yeah, 63% confidence. Okay, fine. Right, I'm going to leave it there. So back to project. What we can then use is with make, I can create, here we go, with oldie worldy Scratch, the Scratch app, or we can use this Scratch 3 that we're using in class, some Python, or how awesome App Inventor, which is an Android app tool, creation tool. So we can use any of these to create a computer program. So in the lesson, what we're going to do is take this further, go into Scratch, create a happy face, create an unhappy face, and then we're going to type in different text and seeing. Okay, here we go. And seeing Scratch display the or happy face or unhappy face. We're going to not just have the confidence that we've said that's kind of fun, but maybe a bit boring, just written there. We want to use Scratch and the sprites and the costumes and make it do something. Okay. Well, okay, everyone, that is it. I hope you're well. Take care, everyone. Bye.